And on the 15th of the 1st, 11th, and just going through the Dow Jones Industrials. We would like to go through the monthly, weekly, and daily chart, and then on my next video I'd like to go through the 180 and 60-minute chart and then give you a bit of an idea of where this is heading. Okay, so let's go straight to the monthly. Now, on this, what I've got here is basically a big flag on the monthly, which is broken with a powerful break, and that gives me a target of 16,058. Well, I tell you won't be reaching that overnight, but let's just see all the resistances on the way up. Now, this 12 mark is pretty much my focus here, the 12,000 mark, because it is halfway on this red candle here, which acts as resistance and also support. So that's my sort of initial target where this could be heading over the coming days and weeks. But on the monthly, if we do get a break below, say, the 11.6 mark, the predictions are that if we get a break below the 11.6 on a monthly, it's possible that this will go back down to the support level of 11,000. It says here 10,980, but roughly around 11,000. And if it goes through there, then so be it. And the next sort of support area would be the 10.7 mark, which after that, if it goes through that, then we'll just take the analysis as we see it. So, but what I was also saying with this flag here, it's a 31% retracement. They can also be in between, you know, 20 to 40 to 60. 60 is a bit too much for me. I'd rather just go to 20 to 40% retracement. And then also that's how I work that one out. So I'll just give you a bit of a channel break scenario. So if this channel break, which it has, if I just click on that, you get your 11,992 mark. Oh, look, that's the 12,000 mark. So basically that's really where we're heading, as I can see it. So let's get to the weekly and get a bit more home in on this a little bit more. We have got a flag with a pennant, and this target has given me the 12.5 mark, right? So when we get through the, if we get through the 12,000 mark and get through it quite viciously, I expect it to definitely go to the 12.5 or 12,500 sort of mark before coming off. Now, noting that I haven't actually put the MACD or the MACD, as some people want to say, below it, but there is a divergence happening, and therefore we are seeing less and less bulls in the market. So it is getting tricky, and to be going long at this stage would not be a very smart decision unless you have got some serious guaranteed stop losses in there. I mean, I'm not expecting this baby to crash overnight. It's been a very, you know, subtle sort of movement over the last 30 days. So, you know, it will be coming off, and it's only healthy for it to retrace. But we just have to trade what we see. So on the daily, let's have a look. We've got a nice channel line going all the way up, and it's just acting straight in that channel line. Now, if I put the crosshairs on the top of this, you know, you're getting the 11.8 mark, the 11 sort of high 11.8s. You know, here the high 11.9s up the top if it keeps on moving in this channel here. If it does tend to break out, I will find that I will get sort of the let's have a look here. I would get the you know, the 12,000 mark very quickly on the daily, so we could hit that in the next week or so. So let's just keep our eye on that. And also on the downside, if I were to do a prediction, it is, you know, down to the 11.6, which is also acting as support. So tune in for my next report on the intraday charts, and stay tuned. This is Jay Bowman signing off.